Na Héireann Ara ministers, a Hanador, a Hochty, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Ministers, Mayor, Lady Mayoress, a Cahéli, agus a Hodja Galair. Tá an áas orm bheith an seo ag Phláiciúil na Héireann in Dora Columcille. Phláiciúil na Héireann will bring together traditional musicians, singers and dancers to Derry from all parts of Ireland and many parts of the world. Where the diaspora have settled, our traditions can be experienced. Not unlike St. Columba, people of Ireland travel the world out of necessity and took with them traditions, values, faiths, standards. That is our culture. Because when people leave home, their attachment becomes stronger. There, in these other lands, Irish culture continued to grow and develop on its own, and along with the culture of the home nation. Irish culture mixed with other cultures, developing alongside, learning from each other, borrowing tunes and rhythms, and being in harmony, in acceptance, enhancing music and dance, and singing songs of a common feature. In the Observatory Pub, Cape Town, South Africa, the Quiet Man in Belmore, Australia, the Spotted Dog Pub in Birmingham, in America, South America, Tokyo, Canada, the Pacific Islands, and many places on mainland Europe, the traditions of islands can be experienced at the level of here at home. The fusions of cultures is there to be seen. Afro-Celt, Asian Celt, bluegrass, some genres of popular music, and yet traditions live on. And Comhaltas Kiltóry Éireann has played a very significant part in that success. Tá mé brodúil as obair an cultish a fud an down. Tá an ogriacht ag dul ó neath go neath. Ní buail don ceol. It gives me, ladies and gentlemen, great pleasure to welcome you all to the City of Culture, to this global event, Phláiciúil na Héireann. Madam Shiv Golair, agus bon agee sosav as on Flá. Indeed, enjoy the Flá, enjoy the weather. Thank you and God bless.
Well, the President, as his